We're going to talk about the bones from the knee down to the foot. So these are the shin bones. This is the tibia. This is the main shin bone. And this is the fibula. The fibula is like a little fib. It's the smaller bone of the two. And the fibula goes down the little toe side of the foot. And the tibia then goes down towards the big toe of the foot. So connecting them with the ankle bones, these are the ankle bones, and collectively these 7 ankle bones are known as the tarsals. The main weight-bearing tarsal is this one. This one is the talus. This one is just underneath the tibia, and it's the talus, the tibia and fibula that make up the ankle joint. At the side here we've got the heel bone. The heel bone is called the calcaneus, and on a canine it's a lot longer. So calcaneus, this is your heel bone. So we have the heel bone, which is the calcaneus, the talus. In front of the talus we have the navicular, and if we took that bone out of here and had a look at it, it would look a bit like a child's boat. So that's why it's called navicular. In front of the calcaneus we have the cuboid. This is named because it's square. So we have the cuboid. And here, in front of the navicular, there are 3 cuneiforms. 3 cuneiforms. So collectively, the tarsals, there are 7 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we come down to 5 metatarsals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metatarsals. And on the end of the foot we have the phalanges. There are 14 phalanges, 3 on each toe, but only 2 on the big toe. The other name for the big toe is the hallux. So we have 14 phalanges, 5 metatarsals, and 7 tarsals on the foot.